Good afternoon from Hackensack. It's Victor. I haven't made this dish in a long time. Wild salmon season at Costco began in June, and I've been buying wild salmon every other week. And today, though, I decided to make a fish and vegetable medley, like the ones I learned to make from the Fish Dock, this Icelandic fish shop in Closter that's actually closed for vacation right now. And so it's a beautiful dish, it's basically a job of assembly. You just buy a great piece of fish like this Icelandic cod, wild caught skinless and boneless fillets. It's about 2.5 pounds here, $7.99 a pound at Costco. I mean, you know, just terrific fish, wild caught. And cod, you know, is the fish that once fed the entire world. It was one of the most popular fish for hundreds and hundreds of years until it was overfished, and now they're being caught, long line caught. And the fishery was closed down for many years, the commercial fishery, but now it's thriving again. So basically a bed of organic spinach, drizzle with olive oil, cut up the fillet. You can see how thick this is. It's like an inch, almost inch and a half, into serving pieces. Sprinkle some pitted black olives. These are small black olives. Then slice up some Campari tomatoes, lemon juice. I needed about 1.5 small lemons, and then the you know, the thing that makes this dish is the grated Parmesan cheese, which is an Icelandic touch. It's the first time I've ever seen that with fish, and then a little crushed red pepper, this crushed Aleppo pepper I like to use, and then just pop it into a preheated 400-degree oven. These fillets are a little thicker, so maybe about 20 minutes instead of the usual 15 minutes. So I added a few minutes, 3 minutes to the cooking time. But here's the finished dish. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can see. I poked one of these thick fillets. Look how it's flaking nicely. There's a fish and vegetable medley, inspired by the Fish Dock in Closter, New Jersey, Icelandic fish shop, with beautiful skinless and boneless cod fillets from Costco Wholesale, $7.99 a pound. Campari tomatoes, pitted black olives, organic spinach, Parmesan, a little crushed red pepper. Absolutely delight. Enjoy. I almost forgot I picked some fresh mint, basil, and oregano and thyme outside, and chopped it up and made a beautiful addition to the fish.